Xerox B410 Review. Lightning fast 50 PPM printer that actually saves you time. Ever feel stuck in a jam with your slow, unreliable printer? You're not alone. When every minute counts and your old printer chokes on jobs, frustration builds fast. Printing errors, paper jams, and slow output kill your workflow and zap your motivation. Instead of powering through your day, you're stuck babysitting a stubborn machine that just won't cooperate. It's like trying to sprint with a flat tire. Your focus falters, deadlines creep closer, and the wasted time piles up, leaving you overwhelmed and drained. And then the pressure hits, crushing deadlines, mounting stress, and the creeping burnout that no coffee can fix. Important contracts, presentations, or reports hang in limbo because your printer can't keep up. Every jam or slow print means lost hours and missed chances, making the pain unbearable. It's not just annoying, it's sabotaging your productivity and reputation. If your printer is slowing your team down, you're losing more than paper, you're losing momentum. The Xerox B410 changes the game with blazing speeds up to 50 pages per minute and stunning 1200 by 1200 dpi output. This monochrome laser printer handles large workloads effortlessly with its 1,650 sheet max capacity and automatic duplex printing that cuts paper waste. The intuitive 4.3-inch touchscreen and the Xerox Easy Assist app put all controls right at your fingertips, making setup and maintenance a breeze. Energy Star certified, it saves power while running quietly and efficiently, perfect for tight office spaces. Whether connected via Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or USB, the B410 fits seamlessly into your workflow, boosting productivity instantly. But don't just take our word for it. Users praise the B410's rock-solid reliability and speed, transforming hectic offices into productivity machines. One law firm swears by printing 50-page contracts in under a minute, while a school administrator boasts cutting paper costs by 40% thanks to duplex printing. The huge paper capacity means fewer refills and uninterrupted workflows, and pin-protected printing keeps sensitive docs secure. Experts applaud Xerox's Connect Key technology, enabling cloud and mobile printing that works effortlessly. Whether you're printing legal docs, presentations, or daily tasks, the B410 delivers crisp, smudge-free pages with minimal noise. Curious? Tap in and see why this printer is changing the game for small to mid-size workgroups, packing power and ease into a compact design that fits anywhere. Don't get stuck waiting on slow prints or juggling jams any longer. Limited stock is flying off shelves. Secure your Xerox B410 today and join thousands who've upgraded their workflow for good. Act now to boost your office's speed, save money on paper, and enjoy the ease of smarter printing. Trust us, your sanity, and your deadlines will thank you. Don't wait. Seize this chance and print like a pro.